Buddy? You wanna come for a run?
Good morning, everybody. We've got some big, exciting, kind of crazy, can't believe we did this kind of news coming your way today. Buddy, are you gonna save me any of that smoothie? This is like the most unusual thing of all time.
You don't remember? I told you last night, I said there's a 43% chance I'm getting up to run. You remember that?
I do remember that now. That's so funny.
And I woke up.
But we were like sleeping at that point already, and you were like, buddy, there's a 43, right?
Yeah. But I knew that the other video was gonna be dropping tomorrow. And if
what other video?
Our other vlog. Wednesday's tomorrow. This video. And if I haven't, I want to plug my Strava again.
Oh, you're not plugging Strava again.
If I didn't have a run posted, I'd just look like a jolly hypocrite. Also, I woke up singing Kiki, if you love me, and then love me, and then so I got fired up, buddy.
Should we do a before photo now that you're like that? Go. I think you have bad posture too. So you're voting today?
Yeah, I think I am, yeah. Looks like it. Well, I am holding the camera, you know? That's half the battle.
Is everyone hanging out without me?
Yeah. What were you doing? Don't lie to the vlog.
I was watching David's vlog. Even though we're maxed out on
She's watching
data.
David's vlog. We're maxed out on data.
We're so maxed out.
Every single video is costing you like $20 to watch.
Like 100%. It's not even a funny joke at this point.
You broke the news to them yet?
No, not yet,
News?
dude.
No?
Not yet. It's coming.
Wow, keep them waiting, huh?
Uh-huh.
Huge deal.
Hello again, everybody. I haven't made much progress in getting changed, brushing my teeth, or washing my face this morning. Why is Sylvie sleeping? And just like that, I got clothes on. Just like that, and I move, you move. Just like that. Did you start the vlog with like what we've been up to?
Uh-uh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where are you in?
On the walk to the cafe, I'll follow him in.
Okay.
We last left you guys on our way down to Portland. Since then, we've been hanging out in Portland, and this weekend we had the most beautiful group of people come to our meetup. Wasn't it awesome?
Amazing.
Say Portland!
Alright. People we would genuinely hang out with, which is the coolest part.
Yeah, the community is so amazing. It was actually a lot for me to digest afterwards because I just couldn't believe how many wonderful, kind, loving people took the time to come to the meetup, and just, it was just so great. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes of that, you can head to our IGTV, so on Instagram, and yeah, Eamon put together that whole really cute video, so thanks for doing that, bud. And then to further bring you guys up to speed on where we're at in life, we had our engine light go on the other day, and if any of you have been following us for a while, you know that we had some major engine problems in Mexico, so we take that stuff very seriously. Arrived at the Napa Auto Parts, and the dudes are so cool here. They're giving us the code reader, which we figure we actually need to invest in one.
So there's only one code.
Mr. Mechanic going under.
I'm not 100% sure of our options, but I knew that this was going to be an issue in the future because when we did the engine, they had to like weld this piece on, and it was like so rusted because of all the salt in Canada. Diesel particular filter, which is a big job. It's the thing, it's like has to do with emissions and producing clean air. And it's like a $3,000 part for Mercedes, so we're trying to weigh our options, figure out what's going on. And
the weird thing about it
Hi,
is,
Aubrey.
hello, the van is still running. Do you know what I mean? So it's really easy.
The van's running, the light's off. I'm trying to kind of do my own diagnosis. Apparently there's ways to clean it. Once again, Instagram crew has come through with a lot of sick options, a lot of references to mechanics, so
thanks for that.
I think we'll be all right. I'm hoping we can make it back to Toronto.
We'll keep you guys posted on that one too. And for now, the whole crew is heading to the coffee shop. I think you just said this, did you?
I should go get my skateboard.
Hey, can I get a iced oat latte?
Get down on it. Hey, did you, is this a happy closing sale dance?
Sadly no. This is keeping myself energized to close some sales dance.
I love that. Christian just doesn't hold back. This is basically the studio and we're all invading it. Pretty excited to be done with that cafe. It was getting too hot. So it's nice. We're gonna spend the rest of the afternoon outside. And I think we might actually rent mountain bikes. I'm sorry for this wind noise. I'm sure it's brutal. Quickly go back to the van, make some lunch, and then figure out how to get a mountain bike. Lunch today is like a random whip up, stir fry kind of vibe. How was it, babe?
It's actually really good. The only other time I've ever mountain biked was in Bolivia, and we went down, it's called Death Road. So you can imagine that I didn't have the most.
It was unreal.
It's very scary. So I've kind of put off mountain biking until we met up with these two awesome dudes who also live in a van and are obsessed with mountain biking. So we're gonna introduce you to them when we get to the shop, which is
the whole thing.
12 minutes away.
So guys, we just showed up. We met up with Trent and Allie. These are our new homies. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Who are you? What do you do?
We're just a couple people that live in a van and ride mountain bikes and other types of adventures.
We also run a YouTube channel and we do like to go adventuring and traveling.
So they're like, basically, guys, come out mountain biking. We're like, all right, let's do it. Beck had one experience that I think she talked to you guys about. So we're gonna give it another go. We're here, they've got the bikes organized. We're like basically gonna jump on and just trust that we're gonna have an amazing afternoon.
That's a lot of pressure.
Nah, it's gonna be awesome. We'll leave their credit card on deposit just to make sure. They went to turn off back there.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
So we went the wrong way?
I missed a call.
Shoot, was it him?
Christian.
Christian, do you want help?
Wait, is that Christian? Hello?
And I'm so car sick, I'm like the worst help right now. I think that's why I'm so car sick. I cleaned the whole house. It feels so good. It was such a freaking disaster in here. It happens like this. Like this.
That'd be cool if you could make the house
messy
if you
again.
Had thought of that ahead of time.
Oh.
And you planned it out and it was dirty.
Yeah.
And then you switch back to clean.
That's a good idea.
Next time, guys. These guys are absolute gear junkies. Look at this garage. Loving the organization. I feel like the homies need like a 10-second tour of the
We
rig.
did put a shower in. We got a cassette toilet. They're terrible. If you're thinking about converting a van, get a composting toilet.
Oh, pro tip.
Did the butcher block countertop. We epoxied that. Wow. We had enough to make a slide out table.
I love that feature. So you guys can legit like dine and wine and
you can have 3
grind.
people, yeah. You can lift that up and there's the stove, obviously. There's tons of stuff on top of it. And we have the hanging wardrobe. It's not a full-length mirror, but it's like pretty close. So this actually goes here.
Wow.
When this lifts up, so while you're cooking,
Extra prep.
You have a prep space, yeah.
Sexy girl alert. Woo, 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 woo.
What up, press?
Oh wow, we're breaking the internet with these two right now.
Let's bike, ready?
All right, let's bike.
Give me a zoom.
Boys are having an absolute. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, we're chilling, we're cruising, baby.
Yeah,
Super fun.
we're
I'm gonna check in on the ladies.
There you go. It's all about that back brake.
I'm so actually glad in a way that we don't have any footage from me at the first part of Chunky Monkey or whatever it was called. Because I was miserable. I was like, I'm going onto the road. This is so... Frank, I love that he likes our van. But that was amazing. That was so fun.
You're getting the groove, eh?
Oh my god, that was so good.
Oh my god.
She flipped over the bike, dude.
Of course.
Tank.
It's always when you guys are vlogging.
I started off a little shaky and a little rocky because we actually basically went on what I would call the equivalent of like a double black diamond to start, and then we got onto the proper one, and that's where it got real fun.
It's like 30 minutes to that campground, and then when we get there, it's probably gonna be like dark.
It's 9:30 at night, and this boy thinks he's gonna go swimming in that glacial water. Are you crazy, boy?
Late night swim. That was amazingly worth it, but I'm out of here. Breakfast and you'll be fine.
Kinky, do you love me? Do you love me?
Wow. Both feel amazing. I don't know what these guys are doing in our van, but they decided to sneak in. This is actually like a paid campsite, so we just came to use their beach, and then we're going to bounce over to an iOverlander spot. So we'll catch you there in a minute.
All right.
iOverlander has taken us to another sketchy road.
It's just a charger.
Computer charger.
I'd love to be on a walkie with little
Christian?
Minimal up there. He is just going for it. The walkies, I knew it was going to be unreal.
Unbelievable. This is iOverlander keeps delivering.
We just arrived at our campsite. We're about to make dinner. It's like 10:30. It's been a crazy day. But we wanted to talk to you about something that's very important to us. Obviously, you guys are a big part of our lives. And this is something that we have obviously kind of been putting off, but wanting to do for a long time. If you guys are following closely,
you already
how
know
close we are with our families.
Oh, you're being such a little bugger.
I just love you so much, babe. I'm so excited to announce we started a podcast. Did I steal the wind from your sails?
No, I'm stoked on that.
Okay.
We started a podcast. We started a podcast.
I'm sorry if this was a little clicky thinking that we got married or something, but that was all Becca's idea.
No, it wasn't.
It was all my idea.
Anyways, for a couple of months now, Eamon and I have been really into podcasts, listening to them, consuming them, and we really wanted to start a podcast of our own.
We started a podcast. We're podcasters.
So we started a podcast, and the plan was to have 3 episodes out. We really wanted you guys to be able to binge the first 3 because that's how we like to consume podcasts and get into it and really get the feel for what it's going to be like.
And for us too, we wanted to kind of get our feet wet a little bit and kind of figure out, what the flow is. But we have 2. We wanted to just launch. Instead
of launching the 3rd, we went mountain biking today. So I'm sure you can understand that. The 3rd one will be episode 3. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
That makes sense, buddy.
It will be live on Monday, so we're going to be posting every Monday. You guys can download a new podcast, and it will be linked in the description below, but essentially it's called REROOT. Like we said, spelled R-E-R-O-O-T. It's all about...
They'll find out.
Okay, I just want them to get excited. We can't just like tell them about this news and then not give you all the deets, but yeah, you can find it on all your podcasts.
We're talking about things that might not fit on this YouTube channel. We're talking about, things that raise a lot of, maybe they're controversial. We really want to leave it open, so it's very conversational between Bec and I, and I think we have a lot of great things to say.
We have a lot of fun recording them too.
Dude, like we were literally in the mountains. Bec was naked half the time, and we smashed out 2 podcasts, and by the end of the second one, we're like, whoa, that was good.
That was a lot of fun. It was
so we hope you enjoy it.
I think it's a lot of value add to those of you who ask us questions that we don't feel like we can delve into and give you a juicy answer on YouTube because it's just not the platform for that. The podcast is the platform for that. No, I didn't. And we should also say we weren't dating. We just went as friends.
That's very important.
Yeah.
But that didn't last very long. Like
true.
Within a month in Thailand,
we had a magical night.
And before that, like we were hooking up with other girls, but like
girls. Whether it's just Eamon and I, or we have guests on, episode 3 is gonna be with the Minimal Millennials, and we get into some juicy conversations there. So please go download the first 2. We would really love your feedback. If you go to, I don't know how it works, but you can review us and leave us comments.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's really, really helpful to subscribe. You can find us on Spotify, Stitcher, basically anywhere you consume.
I'm so proud that we figured that all out.
I did take the lead on it, didn't I?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to throw me a nice compliment. It's 12:30. We're going to sign off the vlog.
Yeah.
Please go listen to our podcast. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Love you guys. Love you, buddy.
Be sure to stretch out your hips if you're going to get into running and biking. Oh my god, I'm in so much pain.
I have to teach you some hip openers right now.
Yeah. Alright, that might be the end screen. Maybe not.
The hip openers?
Bye.
Bye.